This is the Marcy Adjustable Utility Bench, and on paper, it looks like one of the best budget workout benches you can buy right now. The kind of thing that promises to turn your spare room into a legit home gym. But after putting it through real workouts, I found a few things that the product page doesn't exactly shout about. So, is this actually a smart investment, or just another piece of fitness gear that ends up collecting dust? Marcy Adjustable Utility Bench. Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the Marcy Adjustable Utility Bench, a budget-friendly, multi-position weight bench designed for home gym users. It's made by Marcy, a brand that's been around for decades in the home fitness space, and it's clearly aimed at beginners to intermediate lifters who want versatility without spending a fortune. The big selling point here is adjustability. You're getting multiple incline and flat positions, a compact footprint, and a price tag that usually sits well under premium benches. In other words, it's built for people who want flexibility without turning their living room into a full-on commercial gym. Marcy Adjustable Utility Bench. Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? I use this bench for everything from dumbbell presses and incline chest workouts to seated shoulder presses and even some core exercises. And honestly, for the price, it holds up better than you'd expect. The frame feels stable during lighter to moderate lifts. If you're doing standard dumbbell work, say 20 to 60 pounds per hand, it feels solid enough. There's minimal wobble, which is exactly what you want when you're mid-rep and focused on form. But here's the thing. Once you start pushing heavier weights, you'll notice the limits. It's not that it feels unsafe, but you do start to feel a bit more flex in the frame. So if you're someone chasing PRs every week, this might not give you that locked-in confidence you'd get from a heavier duty bench. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes this bench actually useful day to day. First up, the adjustable backrest. You've got multiple incline positions, which means you can target different muscle groups, upper chest, shoulders, even some ab work. That flexibility is huge if you're working out at home and don't have multiple machines. Next, the compact and foldable design. This is a big one. If you're living in an apartment or just don't want gym equipment taking over your space, you can fold this thing up and tuck it away. That's a game changer for small spaces. Then there's the padded upholstery. It's decently thick and comfortable, which matters more than you think. You don't want to be halfway through a set and distracted by a hard, uncomfortable bench. This one holds up well for standard sessions. And finally, the weight capacity. It's designed for moderate use, not heavy-duty powerlifting. So while it's versatile, it's clearly optimized for general fitness rather than hardcore strength training. Design and build. Aesthetically, it's pretty straightforward. Nothing flashy, but clean and functional. The frame is made from steel, which gives it a solid base, and the black and white finish fits into most home gym setups without looking out of place. The padding is covered in vinyl, which is easy to wipe down after a sweaty session. Small detail, but very practical. Ergonomically, it does the job well. The bench height is comfortable for most users, and the backrest supports your spine properly during presses. That said, it doesn't feel premium. You can tell this is built to hit a price point, but for most people, that trade-off is totally fair. Pros. Great value for the price. One of the most affordable adjustable benches. Multiple incline positions add real workout versatility. Compact and foldable, perfect for small spaces. Cons. Not ideal for heavy lifting or advanced strength training. Slight frame flex under higher weight loads. Final verdict. So, who is this for? And is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're building your first home gym, or you just want a reliable bench for dumbbell workouts, this is honestly a great pick. It gives you versatility, decent comfort, and solid performance, all without breaking the bank. But if you're more advanced, lifting heavy, training seriously, or just want that rock-solid gym-grade feel, you might want to invest in something more heavy-duty. Here's the bottom line. The Marcy Adjustable Utility Bench is not trying to be the best bench in the world. It's trying to be the smartest budget choice. And in many ways, it absolutely succeeds.